To remove a link from PDF, you need the help of SwifDoo PDF. It can edit, add, and remove links as you want. Launch the program and open your PDF from it. Here, you can check all the clickable links in this article, and next, I'll show you how to remove a hyperlink from PDF. For example, to remove this link attached to SwifDoo PDF, you need to switch to the Edit tab to enter the editing mode. To remove the link, you need to exit the editing mode. Then click Link Add or Edit Link from the top menu bar. Locate and right-click on the link text and choose Delete Link. Here is another example. Try to remove this button link from PDF as the same steps. Now, let's check if the link has been removed. You can see that the specific link you want to remove has been deleted. Here, we'll remove all the hyperlinks from PDF. Let's check these links. SwifDoo PDF allows you to remove all the hyperlinks at once. Click on the link button and choose Delete All Links. When a prompt appears, click Yes and then OK to confirm the move. Now all the hyperlinks have been removed.